I've lost over 220 pounds, and here's what I ate today. I came with new receipts today. So I had a family member have some old photos and videos of me I was able to get my hands on, which I'm thankful for because I didn't take a lot of photos of myself back then. Every morning I have a protein coffee. Today's was salted caramel butter toffee. It was delish. And then for breakfast, I had this high protein, low carb sausage gravy and biscuits. I make that sausage gravy with cottage cheese. You heard that right. It is so good. I hope y'all try it. And then for lunch, I had this buffalo chicken cheese wrap. I loaded with some spinach, lettuce, banana peppers, and bell peppers. I put that buffalo chicken on that cheese wrap, a little bit of buffalo sauce, and I dipped it in protein ranch. It was very good. Protein ranch was just Greek yogurt and ranch seasoning, in case you aren't familiar. You can also make that with cottage cheese. I hear a lot of people like it that way. It's pretty good. And then I was craving Chinese food for dinner, but without the carbs. So I use this low carb rice. It's Kaizen that I get from Thrive Market. And then I had a real good General Tso's chicken, which is also low carb. I put it over that low carb rice. I don't even know if I pronounced that chicken right for the millionth time. Y'all know I can't talk. But this was pretty good. It did have a little kick to it that I wasn't expecting. And then it was time for a little snacky. I got some new snacks from Thrive Market, some dark chocolate and milk chocolate covered caramels or caramels. I don't know how y'all say it. Mini chocolate chips and dark chocolate sea salt almonds. But these peanut butter dark chocolate bars are my absolute favorite. So that is what I went with. And then that was how I ended the day. I hope y'all have a good day.